Now, what is the open statement? Let me just read out the definition. A sentence whose truth value vary according to the condition which is not mentioned in the sentence. Now, a sentence whose truth value vary according to the condition which is not mentioned in the statement. What does this mean? So, if a sentence is given, but its truth value may change according to the condition. Okay, sometimes it may be true, sometimes that statement will be false. So, in that case, we call that statement sentence as open sentence. Okay, we call such type of sentence as open sentence whose truth value changes according to the condition, which means that sometimes it will be true, sometimes it will be false. So such sentences are called open sentence. And now open sentence are not called as statement. A sentence whose truth value differ according to the condition given to us. Okay, according to the condition, and the conditions are not mentioned in the question. Okay, that conditions are not mentioned in the question. So such type of sentences are called open sentence. Okay, now for example, if I see over here, x square is equal to x. Okay, now here my value of x is not given to me. Is my value of x given to me? Please reply on the chat box. Is my value of x given to me? No. So if my value of x is not given to us, can I say that is it true or is it false? Can I say if it is true or false? It may vary, right? My answer may vary. I cannot say firmly that if whether it is true or whether it is false. So which type of sentence it is? Is it an open statement sentence? Yes. So such sentences whose truth value changes according to the condition are called open sentences. And then open sentences are not called as mathematical statement. Okay? I'm just clearing it out. Open sentences are not mathematical statements. Okay. Now see the second one. It rains heavily. Now what you all can see in this one? Is it a true statement or a false statement? It rains heavily. Now, at some places it must be raining heavily. In some places it must be not. So, as per the condition, as per the states, the truth value of the statement will change, right? For example, if I say in Mumbai it is raining heavily, in Delhi it is not. So, Delhi people will say that it is a false statement. Mumbai people will say that it is a true statement, right? So, as per the state, the value of the statement is also changing, right? So, can we say it as a mathematical statement where the value keeps on changing according to the condition? We cannot say it as mathematical statement. So such sentence is called what? Such sentence is called open sentence. In the next sentence, what they have given us is x minus 3 is equal to 14. Now, can you all tell me which type of sentence is it? Is it a mathematical statement or is it an open sentence? Can you all tell me? Here they have given us the sentence given to us is x minus 3 is equal to 14. Now, if they mention value of x, then we will have checked whether it is a statement or no. But why we cannot say it is a statement? Because now suppose if my value of x is, suppose if I say my value of x is 3. So if I substitute x as 3, what will be the answer of the statement? 3 minus 3, which is 0, is not equal to 14. In that case, my statement will become false, right? In that case, my statement will become false. If I substitute x value as, suppose, 70. If my value of x is 70. So when I say 17 minus 3, what will I get the answer? 14. So in that case, my value of the statement will become true, right? So as my value of x changes, my value of the statement also changes, right? So in this case, the value of x is not given to us or it is not fixed. They have not given a fixed value of x. So in that case, the value of the statement can be true and false, both, right? So in this case, this is not a statement. So such type of sentence are called open sentence. So this is an open sentence. So did you all get what is an open statement? If x minus 3 is equal to 14, such type of sentence is given where value of x is not given to you. Okay. So that time a value of x may vary according to the condition. So such sentences are called open sentence. Now let's move further. Can you see read out this? All real numbers are whole numbers. Now can you all tell me which type of sentence it is? Is it open or is it a mathematical statement? All real numbers are whole numbers. Is it a declarative type of sentence or is it open sentence? All real numbers are whole numbers. It is a declarative sentence, right? Once you state that it is a mathematical statement, then what will be its truth value? Is it a true statement
False.
or a false statement? Right.
False.
Very good. It's a false statement because all real numbers are not whole numbers. All whole numbers can be real numbers, but all real numbers cannot be whole numbers, right? They have asked us, they have given ulta. So we can say that this is a statement which is whose truth value is false, which is capital F. Very good. Now can you tell me the next question which is given to you all over here? Now what is this? Is this the mathematical statement or open sentence? Please solve it and tell me whether it is a mathematical statement or an open sentence. See, you all don't have to even solve this. Okay, whenever a such equation will be given, and in the question itself, they have given us the value of x. So that time they have declared the value of x. So it is a declarative sentence. They have already declared the value of x over here. So it is a declarative sentence, which means it is a mathematical statement. Very good. If it is a mathematical statement, can you all tell me its truth value? You all are saying it as true. So how will you check whether it is true or false? You will just substitute value of x in the equation. So for x square is 49 minus 6 times x. 6 times x is what? 6 sevens are 6 sevens are 42 minus 7. So what you all are getting? The answer is 0, right? So great. So over here, the statement is a true statement. So its truth value will be T. Did you all get this? Which are open sentences and which are mathematical statement? Any doubts in this up till now?